This is Total Telecom TV. I'm talking to Steve East, who is VP of Global Sales for Genesis Technical Systems. Steve, nice to see you here at the Congress. Now, you're very well known for this development on the DSL Rings, and I think things are really taking off for you, but particularly in North America.
Yeah, we've actually been monitoring the release of funding through the CAF2 process in North America from the FCC, and obviously pursuing some of the carriers that have been associated with that funding program, and that is specifically targeted at suburban and rural networks, which is the prime focus for our DSL Rings technology. So for us right now, it's getting extremely busy, and we're obviously looking forward to working with all of the US carriers over the next 12 months as things develop further.
And I think you've taken another initiative by forming a consortium. Well, I think it was originally for US carriers, but word has spread around the world.
Yeah, we actually sat down with one of our US carriers and developed the Carrier Consortium. That consortium is enabled really to share trial results, both for lab trials and field trial results on the DSL Rings technology, and it really enables Genesis to effectively deliver more trials in North America quickly. So we can actually sort of trial with one carrier and then share all the information with all the other carriers, and there's a lot of trust between the various carriers, so it works extremely well.
Yeah, because obviously there's tremendous potential for the DSL Rings. The bandwidth increases are phenomenal. Just remind us of what you can offer these carriers.
Yeah, so the backhaul infrastructure we've actually sort of tested at Cincinnati Bell in North America. The backhaul infrastructure there actually supported well in excess of 600 megabytes. And when you actually sort of get access to 600 meg at our convergence node, you can do all sorts of things with it. The first thing you can do is we can actually sort of drive around about 400 megabits, both east and west, round a residential access ring. So that actually enables subscribers to be able to use up to 400 megs. And some of these subscribers in suburban and rural networks have only been getting 600 kilobits. So obviously that's an enormous life-changing experience for many of these people. The other element is that the convergence node itself is intelligent, so that actually enables us to share bandwidth between the residential access customers, subscribers, and also something like maybe a small cell. So we've actually sort of been in discussions with all the carriers about phase 2 of the trials in North America, and actually deploying a small cell from our convergence node. So it's really exciting.
Absolutely. Yeah, talking about trials, any news you can tell us about any field trials?
Yeah, we're actually sort of working with 3 carriers now in North America. We'll actually sort of be starting operational readiness testing in late January, early February next year, and then we'll be rolling out 3 field trials, and that will actually complete sometime around about July, August. These field trials will actually be with subscribers. Each of the field trials is around about 100 subscribers, so we're really excited about getting the DSL Rings technology out into a real life environment, and actually sort of showing the performance of what it can effectively do over existing copper infrastructure.
Fantastic. Well, it's an incredible market to be involved with. Thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you very much indeed. Privilege.